Okay guys, doing a quick video. Want to show you how the Durango RT, this is my first Durango RT. This is the one with my resonators and with the factory mid muffler. I want you to see how it sounds compared to my other Dodge Durango that has the mid muffler deleted. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna crank it up for you and let you hear how it sounds. Dodge RT with the mid muffler and the factory exhaust. Okay, so that's my Durango RT with the mid mufflers inside of it. Now, I just want to get my mid mufflers deleted from this truck. And my mid muffler is deleted from this RT. I want you to hear the difference on this one. This has Thrush Rattler exhaust, Dodge RT. Here that that's much bassier. A lot better. And the thing with this truck is I still have the resonators on. I kept the resonators on and it's still bassy. Still has that rumble. Has little to no drone inside the car. The factory one, as you heard, it sounds good, but this one has a lot more bass. And she can rumble. Sounds real good with the resonators on. So that gives you an option, an idea. If you want to get it with the resonators on with a mid muffler delete, that's how my V8 sounds with this guy. The other one's with the factory, and it also has the mid muffler still installed. Choice is yours. Me, I like the way this one right here sounds.